Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Okay, have you ever thinking your seeds, where are the head and where are the tail? When you move them from seed until here, which portion is the correct way so that your seed won't go haywire? Okay, so over here what I do was, okay, fall down. Okay, I soak some seed, so this is like about 3 days. Yeah, and this already can see some green. I think in a few days time you will see the green come out already. Okay, so over here I have prepared the soil mix. Basically some rice husk, compost, and some normal soil. Okay, so I got quite a lot over here, so we'll just choose this one. Okay, so we'll dig a hole inside. And okay, where is my hole digger? Okay, never mind, over here. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, then just nicely place this. This is the roots lah. Okay, the first one that came out is a root, then followed by the leaves. Okay, so I will put the root facing outwards and cover it. Yeah, then the second one over here, put it over here with the root facing down. Okay, and done. Hey, and the third one over here. Okay, the fourth one. So I don't think so there's a need to bury the whole seed anymore, since we know where are the the roots. Okay, one is up, so I will continue to do the rest. Just mix 1 2 3 4. So again, find a good one, put it in. 1 2. Make sure that they are somehow upright lah. 3 4. Wow. Okay, so second batch is done. The third batch, like those done one are just one side. 1 2. So right now this is all, I think it's winter melon or rock melon. So put 4. Okay, again put it in. 1 I think this one got no hole below. That's why after 2 days it's still very moist or wet, so it's not good for the seed. You might drown the seed. Okay, yeah, so good. I got 12 seeds which already rooted. Okay, so I'm gonna poke. Yeah, see, there's no holes, so remember I have to poke hole. Okay, so I left 4 more seeds and 2 more watermelon seeds, which I will continue to soak them until the root is out. Okay, so that's all for today. So if you like the video, please follow, subscribe. Yeah, I'm just going to pour some water over so that the top layer is like dry and the bottom